Sparky Sparks here. Get ready with me. I'm headed to my hair appointment today, so it's grown out, and this is one of the reasons I get my hair done. So you can see it looks thin, really super thin, but it's also gray. So when I wear it back, or actually, let's be honest, I don't wear my own hair very often. So this is what it looks like. I like to wash it before I go see my guy, and he's been doing my hair, I think, nearly 20 years. So I get it trimmed up so it's high and tight, and let me show you the back. So I know, don't come for me. You're all gonna tell me, oh, but you look so cute in your natural hair. Why do you wear hair? So let me show you. I have always wanted to have long hair, and with wigs, now that's possible. And you've seen me in some red wigs, and you know, I just like the diversity and the accessory and how easy it is. So I did wash my hair this morning and blow dry it. So this is after it's blow dried. Now it'll stay about like this for probably an hour, and then it'll start to look really, really thin and fine. Anyway, so what I use is a wig grip combination. It's a cap and a wig grip. It has velvet around here. You've seen me put this on. I like this because it holds the top of my hair. So when I try just to grip, the hair sticks out and then it comes back through on the wig. So one day I had the wig on and it was poking out, and I thought, what's that hair? And I pulled on it and it was my own hair. So I know, cray. Anyway, so this is it, and it has Velcro adjusters. So we're gonna put this on and I'll show you my process. So I first put this on and I move it back. I'm gonna use my mirror here. I move it back to about my hairline, a little bit before, for me, a little bit before my hairline. And today I'm going to put on Drew, another favorite of mine from Jon Renau. Now, I will say, if you're new to wigs, if you do your makeup first, it's not as harsh. Somehow, you feel like you're getting ready. So when the final step really is to put on your hair. I already have my shoes on and my little socks. I'll put my earrings on after this. But if you're going to put necklaces on, put those on before you put your hair on. It's just easier. Make this the last step. In fact, if you're going to brush your teeth or lipstick after, but brushing teeth, anything where you're leaning forward, like putting on shoes. It's easier if you do it before you put on your hair. And this is how fast it is. So we've picked out Drew. This is her. I've worn her quite a bit. I have her in this color, which is 12FS8, and I also have her in Palm Springs Blonde. The Palm Springs Blonde is a little bit brighter. And so we just put her on and flip up. And then the first thing I do is grab the ear tabs. They're just little wire tabs, and I kind of adjust them to my temples. And she was in a bag, so she's got a little bit, the hair's a little bit bent, but we're just gonna work with that. So this is what she looks like. Let me show you the back. One of my followers has given me a great note to show the back of my hair and not be moving around so much. So I can just hear her saying, stand still. So let's show you the back. And the top, if you can see that. So if you're in line or somebody's behind you, it looks natural. It doesn't look any sort of way. I did use a little bit of Smooth, which is a detangler. And then the other product I like is this product called, where is it? It's called, I'll look for it. It's called, oh, I had it. I'll find it for you guys and tell you some other products that I like in my next video. Anyway, so this is Drew, and I might have put eyelashes on, but I'm just going to the hairstylist to color my roots and trim up my hair. So I threw on some earrings, and another note I got is with these light earrings. It looks like I have different level hair, but these are my favorite earrings. It's cold here, so excuse my runny nose. And let's see, I'll put a little bit of lipstick on. I just use my finger. Perfect. So I'm all set, on point, ready for the day. If this starts to drive me nuts, I'll either braid it or I'll put it in a little clip, or I might put her up like this in a scrunchie. So all options. In fact, here's a scrunchie. Let's do that right now. And I'll show you how I do that. So I try to leave a little bit of hair out, like around my face, and I just gather it up. And with that combination wig grip on, it's not going to go anywhere. I can pull on my hair, I can flip my hair. So we're just going to do it like this. Yeah, I like that. And then I'm going to twist it, and I'll show you the back. I love my hair. So easy. Okay, so this is what the back looks like. I'm going to pull it down a little bit, but super easy, super fun, super on point. So make it a great day. Have a good one. Play with your wigs, and I'll see you next time.